So in this part of your assignment, you're going to do the thought question. This is the thought question here, and you're going to want to go to your Google Classroom to open up the Rule 40 doc, which looks like this. And you'll have the prompt, the same thing that's written on your Achieve right here. And I have directions for you to highlight and underline. The first thing is to highlight the different portions of the prompt that need to be addressed. So for example, what is a rule? What is Rule 40 is one part of the prompt that you need to address. Why was it made? And again, you can highlight in any color as long as you're highlighting in 3 different colors. And then, do you think it is a good rule? That is the third thing that you need to talk about when you're typing your answer to the thought question. And then, of course, you're going to explain why you think it's a good rule. And you're going to have to use facts and details from the article. So what the next thing is what is the underlined words or keywords that you should use in the prompt? Of course, you're going to want to use the words Rule 40, so you're going to underline that. Why was it made? Made is a word that you would underline. A more academic word would be created. And do you think it's a good rule? So think, which means it's your opinion. So again, you could use opinion, perspective, try to make your writing as academic as possible. So your next step is to go into your text and find out at least one piece of textual evidence that you would like to use as to why the rule was made. So you're going to go back to your Achieve article, and the highlighting that you did before should be here, and pick the textual evidence that you like the best and then paste it here, and your explanation. And then you will decide if you think the rule is good or bad. You need to make a decision. Highlight the one that you thought it was, either it's good or bad. So you'll highlight it if you think it's bad or if it's good. And then find your textual evidence to support your opinion. What from the article in here makes you feel like it's a bad or good idea. And then again, explain. And you're going to type your thought question here, and then you can paste it right here into your thought question. And just a reminder, you want to make sure that you're using those keywords when you're starting your sentence. So like Rule 40, we underlined in our Google Doc. So of course you're going to start off saying something about Rule 40. It has to be in there. Why was it made? Rule 40 was made because, or something like that. Rule 40 was established. I'm using established. Of course, you would use another academic word. And you're going to give your textual evidence, and then you're going to say, I think, or in my opinion, or from my perspective, Rule 40 is, and then you're going to decide is it good or bad and complete that. So you're going to have at least 5 sentences to make a paragraph here that you will submit both here in Google Docs, and then you could just paste it into your thought question section in Achieve.